Now see the reaction between the carbon dioxide and lime water. Reaction between carbon dioxide formula is CO2 and lime water. What is the lime water formula? CaOH taken twice. This is a lime water formula. Okay, the reaction between the carbon dioxide and lime water. Now in the test tube we are taken first acetic acid, that means vinegar we can add to the baking soda. It will be form the carbon dioxide and other substances. Before the reaction we are discussed, and that carbon dioxide we can pass it through the lime water. Okay, carbon dioxide we can pass it through the lime water. Carbon dioxide, what is the formula of carbon dioxide? CO2. This carbon dioxide we can pass it through the lime water. Lime water formula already I given, calcium hydroxide. Lime water formula is calcium hydroxide, CaOH taken twice. Okay, when we are passing the carbon dioxide through the lime water, what will happen? It will be form the calcium carbonate. It will be form the calcium carbonate, and water, it will be form the calcium carbonate. What is the formula of calcium carbonate? CaCO3. And water, what is the formula of water? H2O. Okay, this is the reaction between the carbon dioxide and lime water. When we are passing the carbon dioxide through the lime water, what will happen? That it will be form the calcium carbonate and water. Okay, when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, calcium carbonate is formed, which makes lime water milky. The turning of lime water into milky is a standard test of carbon dioxide. Okay, how can we identify in this reaction carbon dioxide is formed? Based on this reaction we can identify in this carbon dioxide is formed. Okay, based on this reaction how can we identify? Here when carbon dioxide is passed, when carbon dioxide is passed through the lime water, it will be formed the calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is formed, this which makes lime water milky. The turning of lime water into milky is a standard test of carbon dioxide. In the 10th class also there, in the future you will read the 10th class also about this reaction. Okay, now when carbon dioxide is passed, through lime water, calcium carbonate is formed. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, what will be formed? Calcium carbonate is formed. Calcium carbonate is formed. Which makes lime water milky. The turning of lime water into milky, is a standard test is a standard test. It's a standard test of carbon dioxide. Is a standard test of carbon dioxide. You can read in the higher classes also, in your 10th class also we can read. Okay, here I will show the setup to the pass gas through lime water. Okay, how can we pass the that carbon dioxide gas through the lime water? I will show the. Here first we have to take the 2 test tubes. This is one of the test tube, and this is another test tube. Here these are the 2 test tubes. In one of the test tube, first we have to take the vinegar plus baking soda. In this test tube we have to take the vinegar and baking soda. Vinegar plus baking soda. And we can add the cork with test tube. Here in the first test tube, vinegar and baking soda is there. Okay, and in the second test tube we have to take the lime water. We have to take the lime water. This is a lime water. What is the formula of lime water? Calcium hydroxide, CaOH taken twice. And when we are adding the vinegar plus baking soda, it will be give the hiss sound, and one type of gas will be evaporated. Carbon dioxide gas, that is the carbon dioxide gas, is evolved from this test tube. From the first test tube, when we are adding the vinegar and baking soda, vinegar acetic acid is there, in baking soda sodium hydrogen carbonate is there. These both are when it is reacted to form the carbon dioxide gas. That carbon dioxide gas we can pass it through the lime water. We can pass it through the lime water. In another test tube, this is a lime water. In another test tube we are taking the lime water. In another test tube we can take in the lime water. Okay, when carbon dioxide gas, here carbon dioxide gas is forming in this test tube. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through the lime water, when carbon dioxide gas is passed through the lime water, calcium carbonate is formed. Here when it is passing to the lime water, in this test tube calcium carbonate is formed. Okay, calcium carbonate is formed, which makes lime water milky. Which makes lime water as a milky. Which makes lime water as a milky. The turning of lime water into milky is a standard test of carbon dioxide. Okay, the turning of lime water into milky is a standard test for identification of carbon dioxide. In this test, carbon dioxide gas will become carbon dioxide. Okay, this is a setup to pass gas through lime water. Setup to pass gas through lime water. Okay, this is the instruments. Here one test tube, first we are taking the vinegar baking soda. In this test tube we are taking the lime water, and we can pass the carbon dioxide gas through the lime water. Then lime water turn into the milky. This is the identification test of standard test of carbon dioxide. Okay, the turning of lime water into milky is a standard test of carbon dioxide. This is about the activity of the lime water and carbon dioxide identification test. Okay, thank you.